Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. OpenAI's alarming transformation from protectors to cookbook creators. Echoes of Antiquity, AI unveils the sonic tapestry of ancient languages. Breaking boundaries, Beijing court recognizes copyright for AI-generated art, defying global norms. OpenAI's alarming transformation from protectors to cookbook creators. In this captivating exposé, Maureen Dowd delves into the perplexing evolution of OpenAI, originally founded as a non-profit to safeguard humanity from the perils of unchecked artificial intelligence. Dowd traces the shift from noble intentions, as articulated by founders like Sam Altman, to a disturbing reality where profit motives overshadow existential risks. The recent internal upheaval at OpenAI unveils a Silicon Valley power play, raising questions about the unbridled trajectory of AI development. Dowd compellingly warns that, amidst ego clashes and corporate maneuvering, the very guardians meant to shield us from AI's darker potentials may be unwittingly scripting an apocalyptic future. Now let's dive into the detail. Echoes of Antiquity, AI unveils the sonic tapestry of ancient languages. Unleashing the power of artificial intelligence, a groundbreaking video takes us back in time, resurrecting the spoken sounds of long-lost languages like ancient Greek, Latin, and more. This technological time machine not only lets us eavesdrop on ancient conversations, but also offers visual depictions of how our forebears might have looked. From Mesopotamia's cuneiform origins to China's intricate scripts, the AI journey spans millennia. Delving into the rich tapestry of ancient Greek, the video traces its evolution from linear A to the enduring influence it wields on modern civilization in literature, philosophy, science, and beyond. Breaking boundaries, Beijing court recognizes copyright for AI-generated art, defying global norms. In a groundbreaking decision, the Beijing Internet Court has ruled that an AI-generated image is protected by copyright laws, marking a significant departure from global norms. The court deemed an image, created using Stability AI's text-to-image software, as an artwork, emphasizing the human intellectual investment in its creation. This landmark ruling sets a precedent for future AI copyright disputes, potentially favoring Chinese big tech companies. In contrast to the US stance, the decision underscores China's supportive regulatory approach to generative AI, signaling a pivotal moment for the industry's development.